Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is number sequence, forward and backward counting. So here we are introducing the number sequence. Putting numbers in a particular sequence is called number sequencing. So over here it's given forward counting and backward counting. So when we move forward, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that is called forward counting. And when we move backward, like 11, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is considered as backward counting. Put the scattered beads in the correct sequence to make a necklace. So over here 11, 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग के बारे में बताया गया है और यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में जो बीड्स है उनको प्लेस करके ये सीक्वेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the child has to do fun with number sequencing. Over here, follow the sequence from 1 to 25 and join the dots to find Bunny's favorite food and color it. So over here, the child has to join the dots and they have to follow the number sequence from 1 to 25. So over here, from 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So they have to connect the dots like this. And then at the end, they have to color this. So at the end, the child has to color this and find out which is Bunny's favorite food. So it is a carrot. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है सीक्वेंस को फॉलो करते हुए 1 to 25 की नंबर सीक्वेंस को फॉलो करते हुए और फाइंड करना है बनी जो कि एक रैबिट है उसका फेवरेट फूड क्या है और उसको कलर भी करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice number sequence. Follow the arrows and fill the numbers to complete the circle chain. So over here, the child has to follow the arrows and fill the numbers to complete the circle chain. So first of all, over here it's 20, 21, then 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 is already given. After that, in the next circle 30, 31. So please emphasize the child to look at the arrows given over here and let them move ahead with the help of the arrows, that is in the direction of the arrows. So after 31 it is 32, 33, 34 and 35. And the last one is 45, then 46, 47 and 48. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर सीक्वेंस के बारे में बताया गया है. तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे जो सर्कल्स है उसको एरो को फॉलो करते हुए नंबर्स को फिल करना है. तो यहाँ पे उनको नंबर सीक्वेंस पता होनी चाहिए. अगर नहीं पता है तो आप एक बार रिकॉल करवा दीजिए ताकि वो लोग यहाँ पे जो सर्कल चेन है वो कंप्लीट कर पाए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice number sequence. Complete the number sequence in the caterpillar. 1 is done. So over here the child has to complete the sequence given over here in the caterpillar and 1 is done for them. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that it's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and the last one is 30. Next is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 and the last one is 41. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए कैटरपिलर में नंबर सीक्वेंस लिख के ये सीक्वेंस को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is introducing forward counting. In forward counting, the number moves from left to right on a number line. So over here, it's shown that from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So from left to right, they move forward. The numbers move forward on a number line. Do forward counting and fill the beats. So over here 16, then 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 21 is already given. After 5 it's 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one is 10. Please make sure that the child is looking at the pattern of forward counting of numbers over here and how the numbers are moving forward from left to right. Then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 is already given. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46 is already given. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया गया है। तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे सबसे पहले समझाया गया है कि फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग क्या है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे उनको फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करके ये बीड्स में नंबर को लिख के वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice forward counting. Complete the number sequence in forward counting. So over here, the first number is 20, then 21, 22, 23 and 24. After that, it's 35, then 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44 and the last one is already given 45. After that here it's 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and the last one is already given which is 31. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे दिए गए नंबर सीक्वेंस को कंप्लीट करना है फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग को फॉलो करते हुए। अगर बच्चे भूल गए हैं कि फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग क्या होता है तो आप एक बार उनको रिकॉल करवा दीजिएगा कि नंबर्स जब लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव होते हैं और एवरी नंबर इंक्रीजेस बाय 1 व्हेन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice forward counting. Color the group of fish which follow forward counting. So over here the child has to color the group of fish which follow forward counting. So over here in the first one it's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So over here all this fish follow forward counting. So the child has to color the group of fish over here. They can use crayons or pencil colors to do the same. After that it's 25, 26, 16, 11, 12 and 17. So here the group of fish, they don't follow forward counting. Next is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here the group of fish is following forward counting. So the child has to color all this fish that are there in a group. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे दिए गए जो ग्रुप ऑफ फिश है अगर उसमें दिए गए नंबर्स फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो उनको यहाँ पे दिए गए ग्रुप ऑफ फिश को कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन। इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज प्रैक्टिस फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग। Choose the correct path. Reach school by following the path that shows forward counting stones. Also color the path. So over here the child has to follow the path that shows forward counting stones and they also have to color the path that reaches the school. So over here the first is 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it does not follow the concept of forward counting. Next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it follows forward counting over here. So the child has to color this path over here. They can use crayons or pencil colors to do the same. Next is 16, 17, 11, 12, 13. So this also does not follow any forward counting. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट पाथ चूज करना है. फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग उनको देखना है कि कौन से पाथ में फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग यूज किया गया है और वो पाथ को सिलेक्ट करके उनको कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is introducing backward counting. So over here, it is written count backward and write 10 to 1. So over here, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the numbers are written over here in the form of backward counting. That is, it is going down by 1 every time the child writes the number. So over here also they have to practice writing the numbers in the form of backward counting. So over here the child has to write 10. So 1 tens and 0 ones. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Similarly, the child also has to write over here and complete the given worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है 10 to 1 तक और ये नंबर्स को लिखना है 2 बार यहाँ पे दिए गए बॉक्स में और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice backward counting. Count backward and write 10 to 1. So over here the child has to write the numbers 10 to 1 in the form of backward counting. So they have to move one step back every time they write the numbers. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 is already given. So यहाँ पे बच्चों को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है 10 से लेके 1 तक. So उनको हर एक नंबर के बाद एक स्टेप बैकवर्ड जाना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice backward counting. Count backward and fill in the blanks. So over here the child has to count backward from 20 and complete this worksheet. So 20, then 19, 18, then 17. So they have to follow this arrows that are given over here. So from 18 to 17, then 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So they have to move in the direction of the arrows and they have to count backward by 1 every time when they write the next number. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है 20 से लेके यहाँ पे 10 तक करना है उनको और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is practice backward counting. Over here, the child has to count backward and write 20 to 11. So here, the numbers are written 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So please bring it to their notice that over here, the number at the tens place would be written under T, that is tens, and the number at the ones place would be written under O, that is ones. So here the child has to practice counting backward in these two columns given over here from 20 to 11. So 20, then 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So in the same way, in the similar way, they also have to complete doing the backward counting from 20 to 11 and complete the worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है 20 से लेके 11 तक. तो यहाँ पे उनको एक एग्जाम्पलर दिया गया है तो बच्चे उसको पहले रीड करके या तो उसकी पैटर्न देख सकते हैं कैसे बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग किया है 20 to 11 तक और फिर ये दोनों कॉलम में उनको खुद से प्रैक्टिस करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is fun with backward counting. Over here, complete the number sequence in backward counting. So 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21. Over here it's 36, 35, 34, 33, 32 and 31. Here it is 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 and 43 is already given. Over here it's 29. So they have to move backward by one step over here. 28, 27, 26, 25 and 24 is already given over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए नंबर सीक्वेंस को बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग परफॉर्म करके कंप्लीट करना है. सो दे हैव टू मूव वन स्टेप बैकवर्ड every time when they write the numbers. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is fun with backward counting. Let's number the muffins with backward counting. So over here, the child has to write the numbers on the muffins with backward counting. Also, please bring it to their notice that they have to go in the direction of the arrows over here. So starting from 25, when we move backward by one step, so it's 24, then 23, 22, 21, then 20, 19, 18, 17 and 16. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए मफिन्स पे नंबर्स लिखना है बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग को यूज करते हुए. सो 25 से लेके 16 तक उनको लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is revise forward counting and backward counting. So over here, color the beads and make a necklace each with forward and backward counting. So over here, the child has to color the given beads and make a necklace each with forward counting and backward counting. So over here, the numbers are given. So the highest number is 16 over here and the smallest one is 10 over here. So for forward counting, the child has to move from the smallest to the greatest number. As in forward counting, we have to move one step forward, and in backward counting, we have to move one step backward. So over here, the child has to start from 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Over here in backward counting, the child has to start from the greatest number, that is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. After that, the child has to color the beads also over here. So they can use pencil colors or crayons over here to color the beads. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग का रिवीजन करवाया गया है. तो यहाँ पे दिए गए बीट्स को बच्चों को कलर करना है और फिर ये नंबर्स को यूज करके उनको फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में ये नंबर्स को लिखना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is revise forward counting and backward counting. So over here, let's revise forward counting. One is done. So over here, the child has to do forward counting, that is move ahead by one step or move forward by one step. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. Similarly, after 31, it would be 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. Next, after 37, it would be 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. After 41, it is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. Over here, let's revise backward counting. So over here, the child has to move one step backward from the given number. So 1 is given for the child to refer. After that, it's 19, then 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12. After 13 it is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6 using backward counting. 9, then moving one step back or doing backward counting we get 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग का रिवीजन करवाया गया है और उनको यहाँ पे फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग और उसके बाद बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग को फॉलो करके ये नंबर सीक्वेंस जो है उसको कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify after numbers. Write the number that comes after the given number. 1 is done. So here the child has to write the number that comes after the given number. For example, after 2 it is 3. Then 39. After 39 comes 40. After 14 comes 15. After 41 comes 42. After 20 comes 21. 23, 24, 42, then 43, 26, then 27, 34, 35, 36, 37, 27, 28, 47, 48, after 29 it's 30, 24, 25, 17, 18, 11, then 12, 49, then 50, 37, then 38. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को आफ्टर नंबर लिखना है. सो दिए गए नंबर के बाद जो नंबर आता है वो लिख के उनको ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is identify before numbers. So here, write before numbers, 1 is done. So here, before 2 comes 1, 25, so before 25, it's 24, before 7, it's 6, before 26, it's 25, before 9, it's 8, before 31, it's 30, before 11, it is 10, before 33, it is 32, before 13, it is 12, before 35, it is 34, before 15, it is 14, before 47, it's 46, before 17, it is 16, before 49, it is 48, before 23, it is 22. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बिफोर नंबर लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू.